LCD Digital Microscope, 4.3-inch 1080p 10 megapixels, 10MP camera video recorder with HD screen, 1000x, Magnification Zoom wireless USB stereo, microscope camera, light source type LED, material metal and other materials, color bright black, real angle of view 1000 degrees, magnification maximum 1000x, item weight 0.55 kilograms, brand Pala Partners, compatible devices laptop, personal computer, tablet, smartphone, objective lens description variable, power source battery powered, 4.3-inch LCD digital microscope, high definition, convenient focusing, electronics microscope has 1000 times magnification and 1080p per 720p resolution, microscope with USB, adjust the object to the lens and slowly turn the focusing wheel to see the fine details. It is very convenient. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, which can work for 4 to 5 hours. It is portable and independent. It has enough power for outdoor observation and can be used by hand without the bracket. 50x1000x. Digital magnification LCD. Digital microscope has 2.0MP. Camera technology and precise focus. The microscope magnification is 50x to 1000x, allowing you to clearly view the smallest details of the specimen, such as plants, coins, diamonds, welding, etc. Can help you easily see the clear details of tiny objects. 4.3-inch high-definition LCD screen and 32 GB card. 4.3-inch screen microscope can capture a clear, detailed view of the object in a certain area of the picture and record video, and record a clear microworld experience. The images and videos obtained during the observation process are saved in a 32 GB SD micro card included 3 to micros card. 8 adjustable LED lights. Microscope has built-in 8 adjustable LED lights. The brightness can be adjusted from dark to bright by sliding the switch. Excellent details and best definition. The user's image and video can improve the quality of clarity. Easy to adjust the focus function. Adjust the object close to the lens, and then slowly rotate the focus wheel to clearly view the sample on the 4.3-inch screen. The attached metal bracket can be used for stable shooting. Meet various microscopy requirements. Microscopes can be widely used in circuit board inspection, insects, coins, jewelry, gems, trichums, rocks and stamps, clocks, clock repairs, skin inspections, children's education inspections, textiles, industrial, QC inspection. Not suitable for cell and medical purposes, and can also be used for children's learning exploration, observing flowers, insects, coins, etc. To improve children's curiosity, desire opens the door to the micro world.